I've been so busy today and I'm starting my food prep a tad late. Let's get to it. I messed up. I should have bought 2 packs of potatoes. I got 1, which isn't enough, but yeah, I'm just going to have to go with the flow. The water trick is so it stays down. One of my sisters on here actually gave me the hack, so thank you, sis. So nice. My rice has cooled down, well, rice and beans. It's ready to go in the fridge. And that's it, guys. Time to pray Isha and go to bed. Oh, tomorrow's Monday.